Now these Audio-Technica ATH-M50s are wonderful headphones, but they do suffer from the very common problem of the headband becoming very brittle after a couple years. And I think this pair of headphones is about 9 years old, and the textile became brittle after a couple years, and now it's like pretty much every time I touch it, something falls off. So there are a couple of solutions. Of course, you can put something over it and cover it up, or you can switch out the headband, but that requires soldering, so that's really not an easy solution. But I don't know about you, I really love solutions that don't cost any money whatsoever and can be achieved with stuff that is already found in the home. And for this, you really only need, fingernails, how about that? Or you can also use a Swiss knife with, something that is blunt for sure, and just scrape it off. So the majority of the stuff came off after just a couple minutes. I took a couple more minutes to get all the detail. And if you ask me, it looks pretty nice. I mean, it has this textile finish, and it almost feels like this is cotton. If it's not cotton, it's polyester. It's not gonna fall apart anymore. So it's a pretty good solution if you ask me.